This kid said before you open it, this is gonna be one of the best perms, not to be cocky or anything. Oh, don't let me down, son. The Julian Barboza back with another hair video, alright? I know. Hair videos, I feel like I gotta chill. After August, bro, I have to be done. No more hair videos. It's just too much. It's too much. If we keep on making hair videos, we're gonna stay right here. Our goal is to grow. We need to grow. We're not gonna, there's only so much you can grow with hair videos. Don't get me wrong. I changed so many lives with these hair videos. Like, people been glowing up. Like, man. I wish, you know, I would have seen somebody like myself before and got this sooner, because I might have already had a baby already or something. Like, I don't even know. But look, today we're gonna be doing rating my subscribers perms. You know, I think this is gonna be one of the last ones. If I do another one, it's not gonna be to the future, like far from now. All right. But yeah, guys, we gotta switch up the content. We gotta grow. I'm trying to tell y'all, perm videos are lit. You know, they get views. The ad rates on them are good. But we gotta switch up the content. We gotta grow, all right? I mean, me and all of us, I'm trying to grow. All right, that's the goal. But like I was saying, we're gonna do it rating my subscribers. If you haven't yet, make sure you follow me on Instagram. On Instagram is how I got all of these. So, you know, just slide in my DMs. No weird stuff. No weird stuff. But just, you know, hit me with some pictures, you know. But this one, I wanted to switch it up. So what I said is, if you could do me a favor, tell me how it changed your life. If you grew up, any stories, you know, something. Make this interesting. Because I don't want to just be saying, oh, you look good, you look good, you look good. I want y'all to, like, you know what I mean? Like, just some better connection. I don't know, something like that. But yeah, let me go to my DMs and we'll get back onto it, all right? All right, so here we go. Julian Barboza DMs. I'm gonna hit the requested first, because that's just where it be. Let me see. Guys, and another thing, man, I've answered every single question about perms. If you think, oh, I'm debating if I should get a perm, just get one, dude. It's not like, I'm not here to, like, every question you or anyone has ever asked, I've made a video on it. So from now on, sorry, I've made a video on it. I don't want to, I'm sorry. All right, we got my boy Helmer FL. I just got my perm, check it out. Damn, his hair was not even that bad. This is some, I've always like seen people do this. I don't think personally I could have did this with my hair. It was too straight, it wouldn't go back. But this is not a bad hairstyle. Then he got the curls, and he's a changed man. Holy crap, bro. Get your ears pierced. Be looking just like me. Just like me. Let me see. All right, real quick, I gotta make a shout out to this dude right here. His name is Curly.Geo. Curly.Geo. He cops so much of the merch, the perm merch. But I just want to say shout out to him real quick. If y'all do me a favor, go follow him on Instagram. I follow him. But he been showing mad love. Like, he's a sneakerhead, but he's just lit. I just want to say thank y'all. But if y'all lit, supporting me, not over here just telling me what to do with my hair, you know, act like, just, you know, be just supportive, being lit with me. Like, that's all I ask. I have people over here telling me what to do, how to do it. Like, oh, just let me, you know, it's okay to make a suggestion, but there's too many people trying to tell me what to do. Like, let me live my life. I'll let you live yours. But yeah, this dude be supporting mad crazy. Right here it's wet. I wanted, you know, some, but look, he got the merch. Right here it's wet. I wanted people to send before and after dry pictures, but yo, I'm assuming it looks good. This is how mine looks when it's wet. But yeah, shout out to my boy Gio. All right, my boy Edwin. Let's see my boy Edwin. Crazy hair, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I think it looks dope. Personally, I do. Look, I got notifications on this dude right here, Darius. I think that's how you say his name. He be showing mad love too, bro. I know, I'm noticing y'all. Like, before, you know, I didn't really have that many guys subscribers. Now I noticed y'all showing love, like being lit with me. I just want to say thank y'all. But this dude he glowed up. Look, he went from, hold up. Boom, he went from this. Yo, he went from that to this, bro. Definitely changed. Definitely getting more girls now. And that happened to me too, personally. Like, I got more girls after my hair. Before, after. Like, tighten up the curls, looks way better, bro. Bro, I'm not saying, like, I'm not over here trying to say like I'm a professional or anything, but some of y'all, bro, I don't want to sound like I'm hating. I'm just trying to help y'all. But y'all need to, like, take some time to, like, learn how to take pictures and stuff. Like, it's, I don't know, it just depends what you're trying to do. Like, if you're young and you're trying to like, everyone's over here, I want clout, I want this, I want followers. Bro, you need to learn how to take pictures. You can't just be out here. You can't be out here on Instagram posting pictures like these with your phone in front of your face. Like, you know what I mean? That's not gonna work. What kind of girl is like, oh, you seem cute from your hand in your hair? Like it's not like that, y'all. Some of y'all need to learn how to take pictures. Me, I put on a, you know, something I feel comfortable in. If you look good, you're gonna feel good and you're gonna do good, right? So you're gonna look good. I mean, for me, when I look good, I really want to take pictures. So you're gonna have a nice outfit on, you're gonna want to do pictures. You go outside, take some pictures, find nice places. And personally, like, it takes me like 200 pictures to maybe get a good 10. So if that's the case, you might have to take 200 pictures to find a good few. You know what I mean? Put in time. Like, me personally, I just like taking pictures. So if you don't like taking pictures, then find what works for you. But I wouldn't say just go over here, like, don't be showing your face and like doing weird stuff. All right, I'm just trying to help y'all. But like, this is an example right here. Don't post, like, dude, don't do this. This is not how you take pictures. I'm not trying to bash you, I'm just saying, like personally, this was from what I've seen, girls don't like that. But before, look at this man, before and after, he done glowed up, just like me. I was just in the same boat with y'all. Had the straight hair, boom, curly hair. Life changed fast. Hey, my boy is spicy with it. Ooh, he got the chain, bro. Let me know. You got the off-white tee. Okay, I see you, bro. Hey, my boy is nice with the curls. What's your name? I don't know your name, bro. And you got notifications? Bro, thank you so much. Yo, and you're a Weeknd fan? Yo, we might be homies. Hey, my first ever concert was a Weeknd concert. The Weeknd is my guy. I love that dude. I love his music. He's so talented. But yo, shout out to my bro right here. He fresh as hell. Alright, my bro got the notifications on. Thank you so much, man. Damn, you got the tight curls. Ferragamo belt. I see y'all. Y'all doing good. Y'all's hairs be fresh as hell. Notifications on. Let me see. Damn, this is how my hair be looking right here. I got a lot of hair. I'm gonna be getting my hair done soon because it's too much. Look at, yo, I love this before and after right here. I love this one. I love doing this, right? My boy had the up to no good haircut. All right, this is the straight up to no good haircut. People telling me get a taper, but I hate getting a taper because you look like these, bro. I do not like this. Like, the reason I get a fade all the way around, I don't know, like, I just don't like getting a taper. Oh, my man's done glowed up. Boom, he went to this. Personally, no homo, no weird stuff, but if I was a girl, what would you rather go for? Up to no good or this fresh curl dude right here? Like, me personally, that's just me. Like, if I was a girl, that's what I would think. What do you say? Huge transformation. Also couldn't find a picture of my straight hair before I got the perm. The only picture I have. Hey, bro, it works. It proves a point. I'm telling y'all, it's really changing lives out here. Hopefully this ends up in the video. I hated having straight hair because it took too long to style. Hey, me too, man. Simple, quick, and easy. Hop in the shower, shake it out, dry out, we're done. All right, here we go. Andres, he said, it changed my life. I hated my straight hair. Hey, bro, look, he's even on FaceTime with the girl. I don't know if y'all can see, but he's on FaceTime with the girl. He's over here flexing that he got the girls, but yo, I'm in the same boat as y'all. I relate with y'all. Like, I hated my straight hair. Curly hair just changed it, bro. It's just, I don't know. That's what I try to do. Change people's lives. And, you know, with hair videos, you can only change so many people's lives. With other videos, I gotta do more stuff, creative ideas. It changed my life, making it easier to get ready and always look good. It also helped me see your channel. Yo, facts, bro. I think your hair looks better. I'm really doing this, man. I just want to say thank y'all for watching, showing mad love on all my videos. Like I'm trying to help y'all learn, help y'all, teach y'all with y'all's hair. I mean, y'all are helping me grow and stuff watching my videos. It's a quick interaction, quick exchange, transaction. All right, here's my bro. Hey, bro, this for that perm video. I got it before and after. From that, bro, my man's definitely glowed up. Look at him. He got the red AirPod senior in high school. When I got my perm, no one recognized me at first. A few friends did. They said I look way different. Plus, I got the perm, got more girls in my DMs. Life changer. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you. It really does wonders. Like, straight hair is like cool and everything, but take it up to the next level, baby. I'm gonna do a few more and then we're done. I just want to say thank y'all, man, and we have to switch up the content. All right, I just want to tell you that real quick. Perms, they're lit and everything, but like I've been telling y'all, there's only so many hair videos I can make. All right, I mean, if y'all can think of some lit crazy ideas with hair, then I'll do it, but I can't be doing the same hair video all the time, you know what I mean? Like, I just want to hope y'all realize that. And look at these haters on my DMs. You such a boy, it's disgusting for real. I don't even do nothing, bro. I just take pictures, post them on Instagram. That's it. That's it. I don't know what I'd be doing, but alright. It for real changed my life. Everyone loves my perm, says it's a major glow up. Now hella people hit me up. Hey, damn, bro. Damn, my bro really done glowed up. No way. But I know he's stealing people's girls now. Bro, it's crazy. I love to see it, man. I love to see people winning. He had this hair. Bro, Drinking Clout. Yo, is that really your name? Drinking Clout. That's a dope name. Bro, whoever you is, bro, you lit as hell. You lit. Post some new hair pics, bro. What are you doing? Post some new hair pics. But for real, man, you lit. This was my hair before. Definitely a step up so far. The perm has gotten a ton of compliments, and I've even had bros get some because they like mine so much. Alright, before he was an emo kid, and now, bro, he done glowed up. Now he looks like he can steal your girl. Let's say it's fire. Fire. Okay, look. This kid said before you open it, this is gonna be one of the best perms, not to be cocky or anything. Oh, don't let me down, son. Bro, come on now, man. Come on. Y'all play too much. Y'all play too much. But yo, guys, that's the end of the video. Rating my subscribers' perms. If you still thinking about getting one, you know, I feel like I've made enough videos. You know, if you, bro, y'all should get one. That's all I'm saying. I ain't got no more. If you have any questions, comment them below. Hopefully somebody can help you out and answer them. I made so many videos on every question you have. Bro, thank y'all so much for watching, for real. If you haven't yet, subscribe, notifications. Thank y'all so much for having notifications on, man. I got so much energy right now. I just wanna, all right. Yeah, man, thank you for watching the video, and I'm out.